Ab'ekitongole kya Uganda Road Accident Reduction Network Organization batandikire n'omushomo omuri Mbarara kandi gwetabirwemu abanyamyuga batari bamwe na bamwe abine akakwate n'okurwanisa butandu ahanguto. Geoffrey Rukungu kuruga omu URRENO nagira ngu okurwanisa butandu n'omwuga gwa buri muntu omu byanga byona.
Icyo turiye kigambaho kugira ngo abavuja bingi tubakuze kuza kutendekwa kurungi. Kandi nanangwa kugira ngo tutendeka abavuji bonga akatatu tugamba ngo nanabakorese bigere mwino umukoresa wengudo wene ukwita road users arebe ngo yayefaho kandi yafaye.
Rukungu hona shawarira habwenche hureji bagitwire omu mashomero.
Our children how to guide themselves on the roads, because most of our children come on vehicles and some of our parents don't know where to put their children.
We read out that when you're in a car, you have to, the children sit at the back and you have to fasten your seat belt. And on a motorcycle, you have to wear a helmet.
Road safety, wajiho mbuto yaza kurangaza kuba a responsible person.
Road accidents or road crashes as we call them are going up because of many reasons for Uganda as it is, and we may not expound on them. But the police statistics show that the highest are involving road users of border, cyclists and passengers, as well as pedestrians.
Gasha kwa Ali Wasu.